Hey IPSY, my name is Kendall. I'm a pro makeup artist, and today we're going to create the perfect summer look that has a little pop of color on the lips, and it's a very viral trend at the moment to do a popsicle lip paired with beautiful faux freckles. I'm taking the Formula Z Pretty Magic palette today. We're going to jump in with some matte eyeshadow just so that we have more emphasis and focus on the glowy, dewy skin and the pop of color on the lips. First, I'm going to take the shade Smile, picking up a little bit of product here, and always tap the excess out. We're going to take this in the outer corner of the eye to begin with, and swoop that color all the way through the crease and warm up right under the brow. This is just going to add a very second skin-like color, not adding too much pigment, but just giving the eyes a little bit more dimension. And with a skinny blending brush, this one's a little less dense than our last one, I'm going to pick up the shade Calm, and we're going to tap out the excess for good measure. And we're going to do the same thing by starting on the outer corner of the eye, but instead I'm focusing this more in the crease area. This is just going to add a little bit more color on top of our transition shade, and I really love this pop of peach. It's going to keep the eyes looking really fresh with that pop of color we're going to add to the lips later. Just taking small blending motions here, and I'm not applying too much pressure on the brush. I don't want to have too much pigment sticking to the eyelid here. Just adding a little bit of color to the crease. Next up, we're going to take the shade Joy. I really like this one because it's a little more cool toned. So this is going to take that peachy color down just a notch. I'm also taking a very skinny blending brush here, and this is going to go straight to the crease. We're not going to start in the outer corner of the eye. So this is just going to make a hollow in the eye, making the eyes appear a little bit wider. And just taking very gentle strokes right through the crease of the eye. And I'm following the natural shape of our beautiful model's anatomy and creating almost an almond shape through the crease of her eye. We're going to take the shade Wish next, and this is going to give us a little bit of shimmer through the crease of the eye. So I'm just picking it up with another small blending brush, and this time I'm not going to tap out the excess, but what I am going to do is take a little bit of setting spray to get this brush wet, and this is going to allow the pigment to stay on a little bit brighter. We're going to take this in the inner corner of the eye, through the center, and also in the very, very inner corner just to add a highlight. And once you've applied this with the brush, I like to take my fingertip and just blend this out. This is just going to ensure that no fallout will happen later, so no glitter on the under eye area. And next up, to complete our viral makeup look, we're going to add a little bit of faux freckles here. So for everyone at home, you can take a liquid liner, an eyebrow pencil, anything that has like a brown tone to it. And what you're going to do is dot it on the face. So here I'm taking a little bit of liquid pigment, and what I want to do is mimic natural freckles. So I'm kind of applying them a little bit of everywhere under the eyes and also across the bridge of the nose. And I'm going to allow this to sit there for just a moment for everyone who's using a liquid pigment at home. And then what you're going to do next is take your fingertip and kind of blend these out, and you'll notice that the freckles are going to pick up onto your fingertip and then start to blend out a little bit more naturally on the skin. And our gorgeous model here already has natural freckles on her eyelids, so I really want to mimic that. So what I'm going to do is apply a few more dots here. And actually, while this is still a little bit wet, I'm going to do the same thing and just blend these out. And you want to make sure you put your faux freckles where natural freckles would actually lie. So wherever the sun kisses your skin is where you want to apply those faux freckles. We're going to take the Girlactic Blush Me and Glow Face palette just to apply a little bit of blush and add some color to the cheeks. So I'm picking up this beautiful baby pink here, tapping out a little bit of excess for good measure. And we're taking a small tapping motion here. I really love to apply a good amount of blush. To give this a true sun-kissed look, we want to apply a little bit more blush than we're used to, just to really mimic that youthful, cheeky, sun-kissed summer look on the skin. We're going to take the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Lip Stain in Fuchsia Wife just to pop the lips out a little bit more. This is such a beautiful formula because it's going to stain the lips and give you lasting color for the entire day. So I'm just following the natural lip shape here. No overlining with this one, and that's important to do with the lip stains because you'll really see a distinct line between the natural lip line and the overline. We're just going to let the stain dry down and remove it so that we can reveal the color that lies underneath. I'm taking a little bit of concealer to clean up the edges of the lip line. We're going to take a little bit of gloss to finish off this lip here. This is Glow Girl Cosmetics in the shade Literally. I love this one because it has a little bit of a cherry kiss to it, and it's a lip oil finish, so it's going to add a beautiful shine. We're just going to run this right over where we put our stain down. It's going to keep your lips extra hydrated and add a beautiful layer of shine. Stunning! To finish off Juliet's complexion, we're going to take the Morphe setting spray here. I love this setting spray because it has a continuous misting effect. It's such a soft mist on the skin, and you really cannot miss a single part of the face because of that. What I love about a setting spray with a fine mist is that you're not going to get any droplets of setting spray on the skin. Thank you for tuning in to this gorgeous summer look. I hope you guys get to try this one out at home. I absolutely love our little pop of color on the cheeks and the lips here, and I hope you loved it too. Don't forget to subscribe to Glam Bag and BoxyCharm with the link in description below. Bye!